Hello ladies and gentlemen, today I'm going to show you how we can use Sims PLC and how we can create a new project in CMotion and Scout. So let's get started. Here I'm going to cover how we can choose a PLC and how we can choose the interface modules like input modules, output module, and how we can arrange it so that we can achieve our project goals. So let's get started. First of all, I'm going to create a new project. So here I am going to give a name testing and save it the project which I already created on desktop, and press OK button. You can see here the new project is created. Now you need to insert the PLC which you gonna use for your project. So double click on CMotion drive, choose any PLC. Here according to PLC there are the configuration might be changed. If you choose D4252 DPDN, so if you choose D4352 DPDN, so basically the small difference are there. In here D4252 DPDN you can run a number of servo motors less than compared to D4352. So I am going to choose D4352 DPDN today. Version is 4.4 and press the OK button. You can see here you need to specify some parameters like what's the IP address of your PLC. So I'm going to choose 2.65. You can put any IP address you want, and also create a new Ethernet cable. The Ethernet cable is used to connect the interface modules, or if you want to connect HMIs. So for that you need an Ethernet cable. So I'm going to choose one Ethernet cable here and press the OK button. Here you need to choose which port you want to use in your PLC. There are many ports are there. You can see here X136, X126, X127. So basically I prefer to choose X150 because here you can connect 3 LAN cables in one single port. So it's very easy to interface your modules and HMIs and so on. Here you need to select how you can connect your PC to your PLC. So I'm going to choose Realtek PLC EGB Family Controller TCP IP Auto 1. Press the OK button. Now the configurations of PLC is opened. You can rearrange these things so we can do better things. You can see here the black line is here. It is for Ethernet cable from which we can connect the interface modules and all. So just this up and take it. Seems good. It is a inbuilt dynamics to which you gonna connect your servo motors. Now here in this Ethernet table I'm going to connect the interface module. So go through the Profinet IO, select the IO. Here there are a lot of parameters are here. According to this, the lot of interface modules are there, but according to your requirement you need to choose one interface module. I'm going to suggest you can choose ET200S because I work on it. here you can see there are a lot of versions are there, so choose the version, and here you can according to the version and its part number you can see the specifications over here on the right corner. So I'm going to select v3.0 IM151 3pn, so just drag it and simply drop it. So you can see here the IM151 module is interact with PLC. Now in this module, which input modules like IO, digital IO, analog IO, digital or analog output modules you can connect here. So just select one, but before connect the input output modules you need to insert the power module. So first of all select PM, insert power module as your recommend. After inserting the power module, now you can insert the input modules, digital inputs, analog input, whatever you want require for your project. You can here double click on the address of power module. Inserting any address, it is not necessary, but it's to do proper work on your project you need to follow some protocols. After complete it, now press save and compile. But here you can see that error is occurred while compiling. The configuration is inconsistent. So here is a path. What you need to do is open the Scout, go through the Net Pro option, maximize it. First of all rearrange it. Okay, now what the problem is, the IP of both the port in which the host ID of both the port is same, so you need to change it. So here right now I'm not using IMNet port, so double click on it, change the IP 1.1. you can put any ID, but remember it in the third octet you no need to put 2. Okay, just click on OK button, save and compile, change this only. Okay, you can see there is no error. You can also change the IM151 module's IP. Just what you need to do is double click on it, you need to double click on here. You can see the IP of the IM151 module, so just change it. I'm just going to put 20. Press OK button. Now save and compile, change this only. Now you can see the 7 compiled successfully and our new project is created successfully. So thank you so much for watching this video.